Hi everyone, today we get to read a story about a robot inventor. And this genre is called biography, so we're learning about this gentleman who creates robots. Okay, we'll start together. Ready? Begin. The story of a robot inventor. Okay, ready? We'll start with the big words first. Ready? Begin. Big ideas. Meet Tomotaka Takahashi. He invents unusual robots. How did he get started? Mr. Takahashi was born in Japan in 1975. As a child, he played with blocks. He used his imagination to make all sorts of forms and shapes. Ready? Begin. Later he read comic books about robots. One of the robots looked like a real child. Takahashi wanted to make robots just like that. And then in the map, the purple is where we live, and it's pointing to Japan, which is pretty far away from us. Okay, here we go. Ready? We'll read the big words first. Ready? Begin. Finding out about robots. In 1999, Takahashi began to study robots. He took classes to learn how they move. The robots bent their legs when they walked. It did not look right to Takahashi. People did not walk that way. Then Takahashi had an idea. He made a better robot. It did not bend its legs when it walked. It moved more like a person. Ready? Begin. Making better robots. In 2003, Takahashi started his own company. He made many robots. A short robot climbed up a cliff with a rope. A bigger robot lifted a car with its arms. Another robot rode a bike for 24 hours. Takahashi began to put his robots in contests. He made 3 robots for a sports race in Hawaii in 2011. The first robot had to swim. The second robot had to ride a bike. The third robot had to run. The robots had to do these tasks for a week. It's a long time. Okay, ready? Begin. For the race, there were many problems to solve. Takahashi made the swimming robot waterproof. He gave it arms like fins to help it swim faster. Another robot was able to ride its bike for 100 miles without breaking. The third robot ran for 26 miles. Ready? Begin. What will Takahashi invent next? Will his robots fly and soar like Astro Boy? Will they be his finest? We can only guess. We must wait and see. Tomotaka Takahashi is sure of one thing. His robots will do more and more. And at the bottom it says, make connections. What kind of robot would you like to invent? And that's a really fun question, huh? So that is really a fun story. That's amazing that he was able to invent so many things. Okay, everyone, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.